was an exciting first 5 minutes of the journey. Okie dokie, here we go. Welcome to Taiwan. Well, I'm currently in my Uber on the way to the bike shop to pick up the bike. Now, I must have picked the worst day to do this because it's raining. But good news for me, it's not raining super duper hard. It's just lightly sprinkling. This should be interesting navigating the roads for the first time. Not today. To start the trip. Hello, ni hao. Good. The weather. How are you? These guys have been totally awesome in helping me set up the bike here. It's official. Martin was my angel the other day who helped.
Also have a YouTube channel. We usually do track day in Taiwan.
We got Benson here also and the whole crew. So we're at 11,821 kilometers. Let the adventure begin. So just to get my direction straight, I'm turning this way and then the first right.
Oh, yes.
Yeah? And then go reroute me.
Yes.
Follow the laws. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Nice trip. Bye, Mom.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you, guys. I got a bike! I got a bike! This is exciting. Okay, now this is where the adventure begins. Not quite yet, because I still have to go and pack up all my stuff on the bike. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Come on, Google, reroute me. No. I lost. No problem. No problem. Hi, Benson. When I turned left, Google took me onto the freeway, and now some man, he stopped me. Can you talk to him, please? I just got lost on the Google. I Google mapped, and this man, he stopped me, pulled me over, but I just had to turn here. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Oh, okay. All right, but next time I get to get.
Google Map can set avoid highway.
Yes. That was an exciting first 5 minutes of the journey. Oh, I go up there. That was funny. So there was like a little kind of pathway heading off to the freeway, and I would have never known to go there, but it showed me. Oh my gosh. All right. We're off to an interesting start. I'm just trying to observe what the other traffic and bikes are doing because I'm not familiar with the traffic laws yet. And it's one thing to read about it, but it's another to actually apply it. So just kind of figuring it out as I go. I met up with this American YouTuber named Asher, better known as Xiao Fei, who shifted to Taiwan about 10 years ago. And in that time, he's traveled extensively across the entire country and is an expert in all water sports. He's created this online map that shares with you all of the best places. He'll be helping me plan my solo tour and taking me around for the first couple days. Obviously, normal travelers might not have this much gear and this much stuff to pack with them. I do because of the work that I do. No matter how much I try to pack light, I get everything on the bike and I'm like, what am I doing? This thing is so big and heavy.
Say Joba Jaman.
Joba Jaman. $1 a liter? What? That's so cheap. Wow! Bats! Oh yeah! Whoa! I've never been so close to so many bats before. We're here! Woo!
Jinping River. And so up ahead is Xiaojinping Hot Spring, and upriver where we're going to go first is Jinping Waterfall.
Exploring is a big passion of mine. It reminds me when I was little. I loved to climb everything. My curiosity took me everywhere. And I was never afraid of falling. Water, on the other hand, makes me a bit nervous. But that has never stopped me. There's a lot of effort that goes into building and maintaining these areas, and they're all volunteer. A week ago, the typhoon came and this entire area was full of sand. They came out almost every day digging and rebuilding by hand to make it nice again. They really value and respect their natural spaces and like to keep them neat and tidy. Everything, the path, the whole facilities here, like this is the Taiwan Institute.
大哥 here 他是最努力的，就是娃娃，其他人都会帮忙。The fang one, it's rice. This is purple rice. It's called zumi. It's naturally purple. It's not like a spice. Inside will be like some like pickles and some vegetables. It's really good. Stinging nettles. Break these. Take this here and just rub it on it, and that will make the burning go away. Oh wow! This is the wild taro. This is a bird's nest fern. Yeah. Actually, we eat these in the market. You can buy them in the market as a vegetable. The like inner very small fronds. Yeah. Those are like a Taiwanese vegetable that you like fry. It's pretty good. It's pretty delicious.
Just to give you guys an idea about how safe it is here in Taiwan, I actually left everything on my bike. Everything.
So I left my key.
And then he left his key in the bike. Oh, Taiwan. Super safe.
It looks like it's a small island because of the mountains are kind of like fractals, like you keep getting deeper and deeper in them, and they're just kind of like more and more space. So it looks small on a map, but actually it's really dense with adventure stuff. It was really helpful having someone show me around initially, just to get used to things and learn a bit more about the culture and traveling here.
Woo! What a camp spot! Wow, this is amazing! Taiwan is a haven for adventure and beautiful wild spots to camp. There's actually a pretty big camping culture here with lots of designated areas to stay. But I always prefer to be out in nature in more remote areas. Today was a big day, and I think I underestimated what this trip was going to be like. There's just so much to see and do, and I want to see it all, but I think I need at least 6 months. It's really tiring in this weather. I definitely did not come in the right season. It's only 8 p.m. and already I'm ready for bed. Good night. I didn't have the best sleep, but waking up to this view makes it all worth it. We have a big day ahead of us. Today, I am going to conquer a huge fear of mine.
Yeah, there's some luxuries you can't give up when you go camping. Yeah.
Never travel without it.
This is life right here.
What was I about to do?
Go up that valley and over those big mountains. And these are the small mountains. Yeah, these are 1,500. So up that way, the mountains are twice as big, 3,000.
Getting all geared up to go.
Right now.
I gotta get over my fear of water, don't I?
Yeah.
I don't get scared. I'm really scared. I really get afraid of water.
Can I push you?
No!
Well, that's what you're here, right? Conquer your fears.
I didn't sign up for this. I did it, but I got tumbled in the water, and all the water went up my nose and into my brain. I'm alive.
It filled in all the gaps that was in your head.
Let's do it again.
Woo! Careful.
Into a local shop here to try a very famous delicacy here. It's very famous here in Taiwan, and I've been told I have to try it. I'm a little hesitant, like a little hesitant.
So we get a whole one, you'll eat it?
So this is the famous stinky tofu, and it stinks. I'm not exaggerating. It stinks, and I'm about to eat it. It's very famous here in Taiwan, and they love it. It is basically fermented tofu that is fried. Oh, there it is coming out. Honest, this isn't as stinky as the ones I smelled in the night market. Like even just passing, it's like it was pungent, but I mean I've definitely smelled worse stinky tofu.
If they put it in the soup, it's super stinky. If they have it fried, it's not so stinky.
It doesn't smell that bad with garlic.
Oh.
Oh, it's so
Yeah.
That's easier.
Not very much.
You know, it's okay for a couple bites and then it just kind of hits you.
Nobody.
One stipulation of traveling to Taiwan, you must try stinky tofu. I definitely taste how it smells though. I like with tofu with extra stank, please.
好吃，谢谢。
I can't believe that was just 2 days. We did so much. What an amazing time so far, and what a beautiful country. Now it's time for me to say goodbye to Xiaofei and go off on my own to explore the entire island. Now this is where the adventure begins.